Welcome to another in the series of demonstrations designed to get you quickly up to speed with what's new in NXCAM. This demonstration will show ISV enhancements that reduce the time required to simulate and evaluate NC code by skipping or stepping over subprograms and suppressing the program listing and graphics display output. We'll begin by observing the behavior of the default settings in Machine Tool Simulation. In the Program Order view of the Operation Navigator, select the roughing program. Click Simulate Machine. Select Machine Code Simulate from the visualization list. The single-step mode options now appear in the animation section of the dialog box. Previously, these options appeared in the simulation settings section. Step in is now the default. Previously, the default was step out. This may be changed in customer defaults. The step over option is new. Unlike step in and step out, step over executes the simulation without listing subprograms. To illustrate this, we'll compare step over to the existing behavior of step in and step out. Step in executes the simulation while listing or stepping into the subprogram. Notice that main is displayed as the current program. If we click step several times, notice that the tool change subprogram is now displayed as the current program. The listed NC program code has stepped in to the tool change subprogram. Select Step Out from the single step mode list. Step Out executes the simulation to the end of the currently listed subprogram and then stops to step out of the subprogram and into the main program. Click Step. The simulation stops at the main program. The listed NC program code has stepped out of the tool change subprogram. Click Step again. The simulation runs to the end of the main program. Now we'll observe the behavior of the new Step Over option. Click Reset Machine. Select Step Over from the single step mode list. Click Step several times as we did before for Step In. Notice that main continues to display as the current program and that the tool change subprogram is not listed. The simulation skips or steps over the tool change subprogram. The tool change, however, is still executed. Click Play to complete the simulation. Click Close. Next, we'll see how you can reduce simulation processing time to quickly check the program. In the Program Order view of the Operation Navigator, select the green top area program. Click Simulate Machine. Select the Show 3D Material Removal checkbox. Click Simulation Settings. Simulation Display now includes a new option. Suppress All reduces the simulation processing time by suppressing the program listing and updating the display output only at the end of the simulation. Issues like collisions and axis limit violations do not stop the simulation, but are stored as an event in the details listing. Note that All is now the default. This option was previously labeled On. Suppress Graphics was previously labeled Off. First, we'll observe the behavior with Simulation Display set to All. Then we'll change the Simulation Display to Suppress All and notice how much more quickly the simulation executes while still allowing you to evaluate the program for issues like collisions and axis limit violations. With Simulation Display set to All, click Cancel. Click Play. . Notice the IPW collision warning. Click Continue. Another IPW collision warning appears almost immediately. Click Continue until reset. Click Reset Machine. Now we'll see how Suppress All reduces the simulation processing time while still allowing you to evaluate the program. Click Simulation Settings. Click Suppress All from the Simulation Display list. Click OK. Click Play. Notice how quickly the simulation executes. This occurs because the simulation processes without updating the graphics display until processing is complete. Collisions, along with other issues, have been stored as events in the detail listing, allowing you to evaluate the program. Click Close. This concludes the demonstration of ISV enhancements that reduce the time required to simulate and evaluate NC code by stepping over subprograms and suppressing the program listing and graphics display output. Thank you.